It feels funny, I'm sure it looks ridiculous. Check. Alright, so I just picked up my plane from Annual. Everything seems fine so far. One of the complaints that I've heard and that I've had with the Lightspeed headsets is that the mic cord doesn't seem as long as the Bose ones. And that might be the case, but I found one thing that helps with the feeling that it's too short, that it's not up against your lips, getting your voice right away. If I bend this with the Lightspeed towards my mouth and let it go, it recedes, you see, about a centimeter or something. So it's hard to keep it to the mouth, but one thing that I've been doing on this flight that has really helped is you want to bend it further, right? Well, how do you bend it further than your mouth? Open your mouth. Alright, and there, when it pops back, it's right on your lips. A little gross. I'm not going to be sharing this headset with other people, and you know, I might need to change this spongy thing a little more often if I keep doing this, but it really works.
Aircraft 3509, advise Albany when you direct the cane and limit.
It feels funny, I'm sure it looks ridiculous. I'm actually very happy with this headset. After I get on the ground, I might ceremonially remove the blue packing tape.
Still established cleared, ILS 15 at 9, picked up landing.
Runway 15, clear to land, wind.
Clear land.